I would like to bring to your notice that on 7th of March, we have actually already been, I have called the police, and the police have filed an FIR on us. So which I will say is we have been denied of our rights. I have already put several letters to the police, collector, to the MP and various other authorities that this is my right of way, and that is the right of way from quite long that we are using it. So I have put many letters and filed a complaint also. But there is instead of filing FIR against the RVNL or the Surya Constructions, this FIR is put on us. So which I say that it is not right. And secondly, I would like to bring to the notice that the illegal mud had been dumped, and we were facing a lot of problem. My dad was admitted in the hospital, and he passed away on 3rd of February. I could not even get his body to my place for the final rites. So I had to take him to my sister's place, and we did our final rites over there. So now I want to bring to the notice, like, if these things which we are, which is needed, like daily routine, what we are in and out of the house. So my right of way is denied. You can see this in this picture. This is my house. This is the gate. So this mud has been, they have been putting it from the month of January, and various letters I have put already to various authorities, but nothing has been done. So I want to know why this FIR is put on us. For what reason? Is it not our right? Is it not my right to go from my gate?
मी MLA बी मिळवलं तुमचे दिले आहे.
ओ MLA को लेटर गायला आम्ही MLA काढता लेटर RVNL को धाडटा की अशे प्रॉब्लेम आसा तुम्ही सॉल्व करचे, पण तो अजून पासून एकूय दीस येवन आमचे देरान ताणें चोवंक ना कितें जालां तें. Not a single day has he come. I have put letters to him. This file contains all letters sent to various people, various authorities. And one is MP also, we have put this letter, and also to the MLA.